Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kipulit kilay obor na kaying kasari bantokid prasngi yo Kenedy kongsit. Halor ka mukat duma kibyade bagajing paniap yakakong Elang Pawa. USP ka East Khas Hills uba Vivex im. Uliathu wa mentakasngi la pendep ya crime scene reconstruction. Hagaba Kenedy ulapan ya kipulit. Hae bat kumno paniap yakakong Pawa. Ulapla bat pani hakipulit bau yalam yaka salendet jangkawai ka ying. Syaka lit sabar pajba. Bola Sangah yaka kli juga Kynroh Haduh bakanda yap. Bat hadin kata utep yaka met juga hapok ka berni plastik bat lit bread syawa. Haga jing tokit kipulit kila ong baka daw ka jing peniap jing u yaka kong Elang Pawa. Kadai namar bau Kiew Jinging baka pendam ya u dagi ketien kiba umso tenat bat kiba la sya. USP ula ong baka daw ka jing peniap jing u hi yaka kong Pawa kadai na jing shit kli. Kipulit kila pakpit benia aru yo udon jing duna haka bor perkat. Henry kilap baka bor perkat jing u kabyang.
Well, we got 8 days custody for Kenedy concept, and in this 8 days we have done substantial amount of interrogation, and today we have done the reconstruction on his admission to the crime. He has led the police team in the presence of independent witnesses of how he had committed the crime, where he had taken her behind the house to a public toilet and slapped her against one concrete structure and then disposed her body in a sack. So that is the gist of the reconstruction, and the special investigation team will be endeavoring to charge sheet the case as early as possible.
What is the motive?
The motive is though he had befriended her, but he got as per his initial interrogation, he had statement. He said that he got irritated, and in a reaction to the irritation from caused by her, he had actually slapped her. So she was, it seems, teasing him, saying something which he didn't like.
So they both rage and
Rage, yes, rage is the reason. His psychological assessment has been done, and he's found to be mentally stable. We have to regarding his background, what happened in his childhood, that is yet to be seen.